Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or turn off Bluetooth on iPhone. So if you want to turn on or turn off your Bluetooth iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on Bluetooth, swipe down the control center, locate the Bluetooth button or the connectivity box on our setting, click on it. Then you should see the Bluetooth. Go ahead and click on the Bluetooth icon to turn on the Bluetooth. To turn off the Bluetooth, repeat the same thing again. Swipe down the control center, locate the Bluetooth, and then turn it off. Now, another way you can use to turn on and turn off Bluetooth is go to the phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate Bluetooth and click on it. Then here you should see Bluetooth turned on. You can choose to disable this and then enable it. And once I do that, then you should see your Bluetooth turned on. Mark you, if you want to use your Bluetooth in maps, you should only turn on and turn on the Bluetooth from the control center, because turning off the Bluetooth via the settings will reduce the accuracy of the location on the maps. So that's exactly how to turn on or turn off Bluetooth on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.